Our beloved Pack 8 Pakistan, support us wherever you are. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, "O you people, for every household, each year is Udhiyah." We are now in the one of the farms nearby Jerusalem, which is raising these sacrifices that will be sacrificed on Eid al-Adha for the Back Aid Pakistan. Contribute your sacrifice through Back Aid in Jerusalem, one of the first and holiest place on earth. Back Aid team in Jerusalem is ready to deliver your sacrifice to those who deserve it. They sacrificed a lot. Let's sacrifice for them.